Today, we're going to show you how you can create notes using the Doculife Mobile App. Open the binder you want to add a note to. Click on the plus icon at the bottom right of the screen. Select the Note widget. Give it a name at the top and then start typing in your note. To format your text, tap on the font icon, which is an A at the top left. A drop-down menu will appear with options such as bold, italics, colors, font type, and more. If you want to align the text, add bullets, change the line and paragraph spacing, and more, tap the paragraph icon next to the A. To add hyperlinks, insert an image or video URLs, create tables, tap the plus icon. If you tap the forward or back arrows, you can undo and redo an action. And for more options, tap the three dots at the top right. Once you have added your content, press Create Note at the bottom. Finally, if you want to modify, hide, or delete your note, long press on it at the bottom. Remember, keep track of things using your note widget.